When it comes to decluttering your home or business, dealing with hazardous materials can be one of the most challenging aspects. Items like old paint cans, cleaning chemicals, batteries, and electronics require special handling to ensure safety and environmental compliance. For Austin residents, professional junk removal companies provide a reliable solution for managing these items responsibly. Here's a look at how Austin's junk removal companies handle hazardous materials and why hiring professionals is the safest and most efficient choice. Understanding hazardous materials. Hazardous materials are any items that pose risks to human health or the environment due to their chemical composition. Common examples include household chemicals, paint, cleaning agents, pesticides, and solvents. E-waste. Items like old computers, monitors, and cell phones, which may contain lead, mercury, or other harmful substances. Batteries. Lithium-ion, alkaline, and car batteries can leak hazardous chemicals if not disposed of properly. Flammable or reactive materials. Items like propane tanks, aerosols, or motor oil that require careful handling. Austin junk removal companies are trained to identify these materials and ensure they are managed safely and responsibly. Safe handling and collection. Handling hazardous materials improperly can pose significant risks, including spills, fires, or exposure to harmful chemicals. Austin's professional junk removal teams are trained in the safe handling of these items. Specialized equipment. Teams use appropriate tools and protective gear to handle hazardous materials without putting themselves or others at risk. Segregation of materials. Hazardous items are separated from regular junk to prevent contamination and ensure they're disposed of correctly. Secure transport. Materials are securely packed and transported in compliance with local safety regulations. With the proper techniques and equipment, professionals minimize the risks associated with hazardous waste. Compliance with local and federal regulations. Disposing of hazardous materials is heavily regulated by local, state, and federal laws to protect public health and the environment. Austin junk removal companies stay up to date on these regulations to ensure proper compliance. Permits and certifications. Many companies hold the necessary permits and certifications to handle and transport hazardous waste. Adherence to rules. Companies follow guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and local Austin ordinances. Proper documentation. Hazardous waste is often accompanied by documentation to track its disposal and ensure compliance with environmental laws. By working with a professional junk removal company, you can rest assured that your hazardous materials are being handled legally and ethically. Eco-friendly disposal practices. Many hazardous materials can harm the environment if not disposed of properly. Austin's junk removal companies prioritize eco-friendly disposal practices to minimize their impact. Recycling. Batteries, electronics, and certain chemicals can often be recycled. Junk removal companies transport these items to certified recycling centers where they are processed responsibly. Hazardous waste facilities. Materials that cannot be recycled are delivered to specialized hazardous waste facilities equipped to handle and neutralize these substances safely. Community involvement. Some companies partner with local initiatives or participate in hazardous waste collection events to promote responsible disposal in the Austin area. By prioritizing sustainability, junk removal companies contribute to keeping Austin's environment clean and safe. Convenience and peace of mind. Attempting to handle hazardous materials on your own can be time-consuming, dangerous, and stressful. Professional junk removal companies in Austin take the burden off your shoulders by managing every aspect of the process. Expertise. Teams are trained to handle hazardous materials safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of accidents or mistakes. Time saving. Professionals handle the collection, transportation, and disposal, freeing up your time for other priorities. Responsibility. You can trust that your hazardous materials are being managed responsibly, protecting both your household and the environment. Hiring professionals ensures that hazardous waste is handled with care, leaving you with peace of mind. Tailored services for businesses and residents. Whether you're a homeowner cleaning out a garage or a business managing industrial waste, Austin Junk Removal Companies offer services tailored to your needs. Residential services. Household hazardous materials, such as paint cans, batteries, and e-waste, are collected and disposed of safely. Commercial solutions. Businesses benefit from customized plans for managing industrial waste, office electronics, or chemical storage. Construction waste management. For contractors, companies handle hazardous construction materials like asbestos or treated wood. These flexible services ensure that every client receives the support they need to safely manage hazardous materials. Conclusion. Dealing with hazardous materials requires specialized knowledge, equipment, and a commitment to safety and environmental responsibility. Austin's junk removal companies are equipped to handle these challenges, offering professional solutions that protect your health and the environment. From safe handling and transportation to eco-friendly disposal practices, these companies make it easy to manage hazardous waste responsibly. Whether you're clearing out a home, office, or construction site, hiring a trusted junk removal service ensures your hazardous materials are handled with care and compliance. Contact a reputable junk removal company in Austin today to learn more about their hazardous materials services and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with expert handling of your waste.